Need to edit a scanned document without typing everything again? This free online tool can convert your scanned PDF into editable text using OCR, so you can make changes in just a few minutes. First, open any browser and search for PDF24. Open the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the website, open the OCR PDF tool. Now click on the Choose File button and upload the scanned document you want to edit from your device. After the upload is complete, review your document and make sure you've selected the correct file. Then you can adjust the OCR settings if needed, such as choosing the correct language for better text recognition. Now click on the Start OCR button. The AI will begin scanning your document and convert the text from the scanned pages into editable text while keeping the original layout as accurate as possible. Depending on the size of your document, the OCR process may take a few seconds. Once it's finished, you'll be able to edit the recognized text according to your needs. After making all your changes, give your document a new file name so it's easy to identify later. Finally, click the Download button to save the edited document to your device. Open the downloaded file to make sure all your edits have been applied successfully. Your scanned document is now ready to share, print, upload, or use anywhere you need. This tool is perfect for editing scanned assignments, invoices, contracts, forms, study notes, office documents, and old scanned PDFs without having to recreate them from scratch. The best part is that everything works directly from your browser. There's no software to install, no expensive OCR tools to buy, and no technical knowledge required. Just upload your scanned document, let the AI recognize the text, make your edits, and download the finished file in just a few minutes.